This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean environment. Install Mdmpatcher Universal and any drivers, then run as administrator so permissions won't block writes. Once done, make a full backup of the original ROM, bootloader, and app config and store it outside the device. This prevents bricking. Connect the target device in USB mode and check the connection shows as 1/1 in the device manager. This immediate preparation saves time and avoids repeating steps during. You now load the ROM and choose exactly which partitions to patch, because patching the wrong partition causes errors. Then pick a preset or construct a custom patch list. Make sure dependencies are ordered correctly, since Mdmpatcher applies patches sequentially. Once your list is set the output path to a separate folder and enable checksum and verbose logging to capture what changes. After verifying settings, click Apply. The tool will walk through each patch step. Monitor logs for warnings and paused prompts. Finish by validating the checksum and testing the patched image in an emulator or on a spare device before any production flash. When satisfied, flash the final image using the recommended flasher and keep verbose logs for at least 1 day so you can trace issues. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to your backup, review the verbose log for the failing patch, and rerun Mdmpatcher, applying patches one at a time to isolate the problem. That single patch approach identifies the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.